Hi, welcome to Edo Language Institute. Hi. My name is Steffi Wifo, and I help you master Edo language one step at a time. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also like this video. I would appreciate that. Every like, every share it with someone who you think can also benefit from this, from the content of this lecture. So into this lecture, we'll be looking at the verb. We'll be looking at the verb dia, which means to stay or to reside. Now, in the following slides, you'll be learning how this verb is used. Okay, so now let's go to the next slide. Now, one of the main questions where this verb is used is when we are asking where someone stays, where someone lives. So the question or the phrase is deke nudia or devo nudia. And you can see how I break it down here. So the eke is which place. So eke is the Edo word for place. And the evo, it is which country. Now, evo can mean something else as well. Evo can mean a language in another context, right? But here it is country. So which country? Ne means that or which. And then u is coming from uwe. So meaning you, and dia, again, like I already said, stay or to reside. Now, literally, when you translate this one-to-one, it means which country that you stay or which place that you stay. Now, on the next slide, we have a few related words and phrases. So we have the first one here, which is mudia. It simply means to stand. So mudia bagbe is to stand up, but mudia is to be standing. So I can say osaro mudia yeva. Osaro is standing there. Or imade mudia yibai. Imade is standing outside. So the next one is, which is also related to that mudia, is mudia noma. So we have mudiana oma. And if you've been here for longer, you know the rule of contraction, which would be mudianoma. So the a at the end of na falls off. So that means to stand for somebody, or to represent somebody. So I can say, Osa, which is God, Osa mudianima. God is standing for us, or God stood for us. And that is in the sense of to have someone's back, mudiana. To represent somebody, you can also say mudiana. So for instance, I say, let's say, they will ask like, Domano mudiane vikoni. Iko is a gathering. It can also be a meeting. So I can say, Ihya ya mudiane me viko. Or Vikidun, Iko Idun. Idun is a street, and we have this culture in Edo, in Bini City, where I grew up, that a street has or every street has a kind of a union of all landlords and landladies, just people that live there, and they come together to discuss different matters that concern their well-being, in that it's a kind of a small community. So ikidun. So iko, and then we contract and we say idun. So that is ihya yamu dianije me vikidun, right? Ihya yamu dianije me vikidun. I'm going to stand for my mom there. So I'm going to represent my mom at this gathering of the landlords and landladies. And then we have mudiake, mudiake, and then oma. Again, we do the contraction here. It is mudiakoma or mudiakemi. So to stand by or to stand near someone, which is oma, or something. And then we have mudiache. Mudiache. Oma is to wait or to be waiting for someone. That was my phone. Mudiache oma, to wait or be waiting for somebody. And then we have diake oma. Now, diake is quite similar to mudiake. Now, mudiake, because mudia means to stand, so that is you are standing near, right? But diake is just you are located near, or you are just, or not you, it can be something. Someone can be near somebody, so, or something can be near another thing. For instance, I can say, "O wa no diake me," the house near me, right? The building near me. Owa is a house. And then we have dia ekeji or dia ekeja, which again is related to that previous slide the question that we asked earlier, which was deke no dia, right? So eke is a place. So dia, if I replace this eke with a specific place, for instance, owa, which is house, in this context, it will mean home. So diowaji is to stay at home, which is relevant this time of the lockdown. So wahia diowaji or diowaja, waya diowaya, walao diowaji or walao diowaja. Please stay at home. Yeah, or Americans say yeah. So you guys, please stay at home. Right? Everyone. Agbonya diowaja or agbonya diowaji. Everybody, everyone is staying at home. So what else was I going to say with that? Yeah, so basically, like I said earlier, you replace the AK with the particular place where the person is staying. So I can say, Iweni made diowaja or Iweni made diowaji. I asked Imade to stay home, or I said that Imade should stay home, right? And the last phrase here is guomadia, which is to stay with somebody. Gudia, stay with. But in Pidgin English, people will say follow, stay, right? Follow, person, stay. That is more the direction when you translate gudia. Guomadia is to stay with someone. Now, on our final slide here for you, which I'll show you shortly, for you to test that you've understand, or I want to test that you've understand these, like everything you've learned so far, right? So I have a sentence there which I want you to translate to English. So here we go. So we have a sentence here which is Ehiosu mudiahe Jennifer vibai, right? So that is one way to pronounce it. Or Ehiosu mudiahe Jennifer vibai. So let's take that. Ehiosu mudiahe Jennifer vibai, right? So what is the English translation? What does that sentence mean? Looking at what we've learned so far, when I said mudiahe, you can rewind this video and go look at the place where I broke down the meaning of mudiahe, mudiahoma. Yeah. So who is, well, I don't want to give it away. So Ehiosu mudiahe Jennifer vibai. So put the English translation in the comment section below. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of your responses. And here I have a little help for you. Then means in or at, and then ibai means outside. So go ahead and do that. And like I said, if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. All right. See you next time. Waya dove, and good night, or it can also be during the day when you are watching. So all right, see you next time. Bye.